finally, I'm back to my workplace, and I'm editing and adjusting some stuff for my channel, and you have no idea how happy I am. After about more than 10 days, I'm so sick. I had severe flu. I had 2 fits of severe migraine. It was just awful, completely awful. I used to have these kind of migraine when I was a little girl, and then they began to fade away, and all of a sudden it hit me so hard with this severe flu, and my menstrual cycle was a little bit crazy. It stays about for 5 days, and it was so severe, heavy bleeding, and I guess the headache of the menstrual cycle and the headache of the flu just combined together and make a gigantic kind of migraine. But it was hard 2 days. I can live with the flu, but the migraine, it was so hard for me. It was so hard on me, and after I just began to wake up from this migraine and just oh my god, being healthy and have no pain, especially in my head. I can live with pain in my body, but having severe pain in my head, I didn't experience that from a long time. So I'm so grateful. I'm really grateful for feeling healthy again. I'm so grateful for not I just no, I'm so grateful for being healthy, and I always forget to be grateful and thankful for being healthy and being in a good shape. We always take that for granted all the time. So it was just a reminder for me to keep that in mind all the time. And the last couple of days, when I began to wake up from the flu, menstrual cycle, after it began to fade away, and this migraine, I began to feel free, and I began to feel different a bit, and I really hope that feeling will go with me all the time. So now I'm finally back in front of my computer. I didn't sit on my computer from more than 2 weeks, and I have a lot of things to do, and I'm so excited and feeling a little bit not fully mindly organized, but I'm trying to do my best. But for Pomodoro, the last couple of weeks, it was just completely red, but now began to go green again, and I'm so happy that I began to be more active in my life. And yeah, this is me sitting in front of my computer. Let me just show you. Okay, I need to organize everything, so forget that. And I have my YouTube, and I have some stuff here to do, and usually my cats sit on my lap here when I am in front of my computer, but they just I guess they just, I don't know where they went, but anyway, I love you so much. Okay, I told you that I always have my cats on my lap while I'm working, and here they are. Snowy and Spicy, and Snowy giving Spicy a nice bath. Oh my god. Love it. Here you are. Come on. تعال روح ماما. تعال قف. تعال حبيبي. Come on. Go to mom. Go to mom. Baby. A baby. A baby. Okay, welcome. Come on. You can do it. Yeah. Hello? Why you hit him? Oh my god. What happened?